friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to get pick list value dynamically in Aura Lightning component, where I show and hide the container based on the selected checkbox value in Aura Lightning component. In this lesson, we will be seeing an example of how to get radio button selected value in Aura Lightning component. First, I will create Aura component. Name it radio button CMP. Here, I will be displaying the selected radio button value in Aura Lightning component. So, the scenario is I will create two radio button. First for male and second for female. So, it is displayed as a gender. If user select male radio button, then here will be display male. If user select female radio button, then here will be display female. So I will be display the selected value of the radio button in this scenario. So let's jump to my Salesforce order. So first I will create component. The component name is radio button CMP. Copy the name. Go to developer console, new, and select Lightning component. Here, write the name of the component, enable the checkbox, and submit. Close the description component. Click here, controller. Here I will create a function of JavaScript. First, I will create a Lightning card. In the Lightning card, I will put a title, how to display selected editor value, button value in Aura component. Inside the Lightning card, I will create a div class SLDS P around medium. Inside the div, I will create another one div class equal to SLDS grid, SLDS run. Here I will define column div class equal to SLDS call SLDS size 6 of 12. Here I will create another one div class SLDS form element. Level class equal to copy this name and underscore level, and level name is gender. Then create a div class equal to copy the name underscore controller. Then I will create a div class equal to SLDS grid, SLDS rag. Inside the div, I will create a radio button. So here I will create two radio button, first for male, second for female. Here I will use HTML5 input because the lightning input field does not support the radio button. So if you check the documentation of the developer salesforce.com, here is defined the radio button does not support the lightning input field. So the following HTML input type are not supported. So button, image, radio. So in the lightning input, in the lightning input does not support the radio button. So here I will create a normal HTML5 tag. So first I will use label class SLDS radio. Here input type equal to radio ID equal to mail option, name equal to option, value equal to mail, and on chain equal to, I will pass the function here, select value, C dot function name. So I created an input field that is a radio type button, input type radio ID, name, value mail, and here I am passing the function. This function will call into the JavaScript controller. Here I will create a function. Create a span class SLDS radio hops. Create another one span class equal to SLDS hot element label. Label name is mail. So this is a standard property to create a radio button in HTML. So I create a label, pass the class name SLDS radio. Here I am using the HTML input field and data type radio, passing the ID, name, value, and here pass the function. I created two span. First span, I am passing the class name SLDS radio box, and second, I pass the label, and this is a radio button for male. I created. I will create another one radio button for the female. So copy the label and paste here. Simply, this ID will be changed male to female. Female option name will be same, value will be changed female, and function will be same. And here the label name will be changed female. So here I created two radio button, first for male, second for female. After that, I will create a our attribute. Our attribute name equal to gender, type equal to boolean. And this gender attribute will call below the button. So here I will create a div and inside the div I will pass the attribute v dot name of the attribute. Here I will use the style, font size 18 pixel, color equal to red. Save the component. Now I will create function set selected value. So this is a function. So whenever you click on the radio button, it will get the value of the selected radio button. So copy this function name, go to controller. This is a by default function. I am replacing this. Here I will create a variable where this object equal to event dot current target dot value. Event dot current target dot value. It will return the current value of radio button. Here I will set the current value. So I created a boolean type attribute gender. So component dot set v dot attribute name comma I pass this current value. Save the file. This is my component. This is my function. Now I will create another one file that is a application. So this is a lightning application. The lightning application name is radio button app. Submit. Close the description file. Here use extends equal to /SLDS. Here I will call the component. My component name is radio button CMP C colon CMP radio button CMP. Save the file. Here is the option to preview the component. So click here. Here you can see my component visual on browser. So the title name is how to display selected radio button value in Aura component. This title coming from here. So in the lightning card I put the title how to display selected radio button value in Aura component. So title display here. Then there are two radio button display. First for male, second for female. And in the top display gender. So gender, this is a gender. And here I create two radio button. First for male, second for female. And I created another one attribute gender. This gender attribute apply here. So selected radio button value will display inside the div here. Now I am selecting one radio button. So this is a male, this is a female. So whenever I selecting the male value will display below the button. So now selecting the one radio button. Here you can see male display here. One I am selecting female, then it will display the female. So here you can see female. So selected radio button value display below the button. So as per the scenario, here I am displaying the selected radio button value in Aura Lightning component. So whenever user select the radio button, the selected radio button value display below the button. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting anything issue to display the selected radio button value in Lightning Aura component, please write in comment box. And don't forget to check and subscribe my channel. Take W3 Bay. Thank you.